In this video, I'm making split pea soup with bacon. First, I'm going to crisp up 4 to 5 slices of bacon. And once that bacon is crisp, I'm going to remove it to a plate with some paper towel and let it cool to the side. You'll be left with some bacon grease. I remove it and use olive oil instead, but that's up to you. Next, I'm going to add 1 onion diced, 1 carrot shredded, and 1 stalk of celery diced. I'll stir those around a little bit, get them started cooking, and then squeeze in 1 clove of garlic. Once I get the garlic in, then I'm going to season it with some salt and pepper. I've sauteed the vegetables, they're nice and soft, and the bottom of the pan bits have come up. And now I'm adding in 2 cups of rinsed dried split peas. Next I add 1 box of chicken stock and 1 additional cup of water. If I don't have chicken stock, sometimes I use all water. Just make sure it reaches 5 to 6 cups of liquid. Next I add a bay leaf and I cover and simmer it for about an hour and a half. Once the peas are soft and it is done, I use a hand blender to puree it. Stir in the crisp bacon and it's ready to serve. I hope you enjoy this as much as my family does. Thank you for watching.